Go to the Redlands. Ride through the canyon. Redlands. Very dusty. Very dusty.
Look, somebody has tried to claw their way up.
Man, that's crazy.
I mean, what? No. No. Are you kidding me?
Look at that.
Crazy.
What? You know somebody just flipped over trying to go up that thing. Straight up. Well, you ain't going no farther.
It ain't really no further.
Alright. Yeah, that's crazy, man. People, you know you go up something like that, you're going to flip right back over.
Like that one right there.
Right. Yeah. Hell, even if you got up there, you get hung up on that center hump.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
Look at that one. And I thought just this right here was bad.
Right. Now this is mild compared to that. Jesus, dusty down in here, man. Good night.
I mean, I know the camera oh shit. Camera probably, it's gotta show this. So we was just down there, right? Like, look at this. That is straight down. I'm like afraid I'm gonna fall, and I'm not afraid of heights, but I've got like that feeling right now. Like, whoa. Crazy. Come back over here.
That's a damn canyon right there. Woo!
Yeah, you too close to the edge for my liking. Ooh, my feet got hot. Golly.
It almost reminds you like of a quarry or something, you know.
And I mean, like, okay, so I get adrenaline junkies, I get all that, but I mean, we're talking like $20,000 machines that you are no doubt tearing up.
Tell you what, yeah, a lot of people, they get overly confident with those roll cages. Want to go down the drag strip, yeah, just ain't got to be balls to the wall or nothing. I just saying, just oh boy. You're a mess.